Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying model and Android version because different Xperia menus vary. This avoids wrong steps. Next, make sure the battery is above 20% and connect Wi-Fi so updates and online verification work. Once done, backup or enable Google account sync to preserve data. A factory step later could erase content. Now go to Settings and then Security to locate current lock options. This prepares you for the removal or reset process without surprises. You should try existing PIN, pattern, or password first because correct entry saves time. If you cannot remember it, use Google Find My Device to attempt a remote unlock or password prompt. This works when the phone is online and linked to your Google account. If Smart Lock or Fingerprint is set, use those to bypass the screen lock. They're faster and preserve data. When none of these work, get ready to perform a factory reset via Settings or Recovery. That's the final reset method. You perform the factory reset through Settings system, reset if accessible. Otherwise, power off and enter recovery mode, volume down plus power, to wipe data/factory reset. After the reset, make sure to sign in with the original Google account to pass factory reset protection. This is why checking account details earlier matters. If factory reset protection prevents setup, contact Sony support or your carrier for proof of ownership help. Troubleshooting tip: if the device is offline, connect it to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.